Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 2nd July 2025, Nifty index opened positive but witnessed some pressure and failed to hold its opening high and could not cross 25,600. Now, minor profit booking was seen till midday until it took support at 25,500 and witnessed some consolidation for the rest of the session. Buyers attempted to stabilize price near the support levels but struggled to overcome the early selling pressure zone. Despite the tug-of-war within a band of less than 100 points, it managed to close near 25,550 levels in minor gains. It formed a doji sort of a candle and an inside bar on the daily frame. India VIX was down by 2% to 12.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.88. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,000 to 26,000 levels, while immediate range is in between 25,300 to 25,700. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,970 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 726 crores. FII's indexed long-short ratio slightly increased to 36.7%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest if Nifty manages to hold above 25,500, up move could be seen towards 25,750, while supports have shifted higher to 25,400. Bank Nifty has to hold above 57,250 for the next up move towards a new lifetime high territory of 58,000 levels, while support can be seen at 57,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Apollo Hospital, RBL Bank, Laurus Lab, BEL, AB Capital, Reliance, Geo Financial and LTF. While some weakness could be seen in United Spirits, Inox Wind, KPIT Technologies, Granules and Chambal Fertilizers. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.